Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Servus. Today we continue our learning series about the topic how to understand Austrians. In this video we want to learn how to say would like to in Austrian German. In standard German you'd say ich würde gerne, but Austrians prefer a simpler form, at least in spoken form. This is a very important aspect of Austrian German, which you'll hear almost everywhere. In coffee houses, restaurants, or just when friends are chatting. So let's break it down and check out these crucial phrases. Los geht's! The learning goal of this tutorial is to learn how to say would like to in Austrian German. In general, we need this phrase to order food or drinks, talk about wishes, or make polite requests. In Austria, we say würd gern for would like to. You'll hear this all the time. Let's take a look at some real-life examples. The first example: Ich würd gern einen verlängerten trinken. I would like to drink an Americano. Ich würd gern einen verlängerten trinken. Second example: Wir würden gern das neue Kaffeehaus ausprobieren. We'd like to try the new cafe. Wir würden gern das neue Kaffeehaus ausprobieren. And example number 3. Ich würd gern zahlen bitte. I would like to pay please. Ich würd gern zahlen bitte. We've just seen how to say would like to in Austrian German. Now it's time to learn how to use it with various pronouns. Ich würd gern. I would like to. Ich würd gern. Du würdst gern. You would like to. Du würdst gern. Er, sie, es würd gern. He, she, it would like to. Er, sie, es würd gern. Wir würden gern. We would like to. Wir würden gern. Es würd's gern. You would like to. Es würd's gern. Sie würden gern. They would like to. Sie würden gern. I hope this tutorial helped you to become more familiar with the typical phrase Ich würd gern in Austrian German. Just to remember one more time, these forms are mainly used in spoken language. If you want to know more about Austrian words and phrases, please check out the podcast How to Understand Austrians and other videos on this channel. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Auf Wiederschauen, Servus und Baba.